Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a black owned business that I think you guys should know about. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So let me start off by saying there are many black businesses out there that I have tried, and I've reviewed probably like two other businesses on my channel, but I don't know, like, I'm not picky, but some black business owners, they feel like because I'm black and because they're black, they can treat the customer any type of way. And I don't like that. So businesses, black businesses like that, I do not shop with. I like to shop with the black businesses who are professional, who treat everyone the same, who stick to their word, who have good product, good quality stuff, and black businesses who just value their customers, because like it's a lot of businesses out here that are just like ridiculous and no customer service, and I just don't like that. Like, I don't care if you're black, white, Chinese, Asian. If I come to your business, I want to be treated like a customer. I want to be treated like a valued customer. So that's just something that I look for when I shop with black businesses. So I recently came across this business on Facebook. Now, the actual owner of the business, like, I don't know how I became her friend on Facebook, y'all, but like, I've been friends with her on Facebook for a while, and I would see her post stuff, and I always be like, I want to get something from her. Like, I'm gonna buy something from her one day. So here recently, with the baby coming, I decided to order something for him. So let me give y'all her name first. So on Facebook, her name is Teka's Custom. I'm gonna post it here so that you guys can see the, what is it called? So that you can see what her page looks like, so that you guys can go follow her. So Teka's Customs, she does custom print stuff. Like, she even does like little furry sandals that you can get. Well, they're not sandals, they're called slides. The furry slides, she does those. She's really affordable. Like, her work is really good. She's quick with shipping, y'all. So what I decided to order was, I decided to get my baby a shirt and then his cousin a shirt made. This is how it looks right here. Kai and Ethan. So I told her that I want Lion King for Kai. So she went ahead and did the Lion King, and then she did a Falcon theme for Ethan, which I think they both turned out really freaking good. Like, I wasn't expecting it to look that good, but she did her thing on this, and she is super quick with communicating. She communicates really good with her customers, with letting me know how long it'll take to make them and send them. She did really good with all of that. Her prices, I do believe it depends on what you get. The way her prices go, just what you get. But for these, I think I paid $17 each for the onesies. Your price may be a little bit different, depends on what you want on your onesies or whatever like that. But I did $17 each for these. That included shipping, so I didn't have to pay too much for shipping, which is really good. And she made them. It took her like a week. She told me it would take her a week. I was really expecting like maybe like a week and 2 days, but like, y'all, right at that week point, she was like, hey, I just sent them off. She sent me a picture of the tracking numbers and everything. Like, she was on it. So that's what those onesies look like. I can't wait to put my baby in that onesie. He's gonna look so cute, his little Lion King on and all of that. So yeah, she doesn't only do baby clothes, she does adult clothes as well. I haven't ordered anything from her for me, but I do plan on doing that. I just wanted to try her out first to see how she works and how it goes. But y'all, she is like super professional. Like, girl, like, sis is professional, and I love when people are professional. Like, sis, she's really really good, y'all. Like, I would not steer y'all the wrong way. So I wanted my subscribers to see how good she was. So what I'm gonna do now is just post some of her work in this next slide so you guys can see it and check her out. Alright, so as you can see, she can literally put anything you want on a shirt, like anything. So that's why I'm like, I'm definitely going to shop with her again. Her business is out of Milwaukee, I do believe, Wisconsin. So I ordered from Atlanta and I still got it, y'all, like super quick. So yeah, I would rate her business from a 1 to a 10, with 10 being the best. I would give her a 10 across the board because she was really really good. So yeah, I want you guys to check her out. Go check out her Facebook. Yeah, if you decide to order with her, let her know that Tamia sent you guys. So I'll definitely be back on here when I order some clothes for me so that I can show you guys how they look and everything. And I will show you how this onesie looks on my baby once he gets here. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to review some of your products and your black owned business and you're really really professional, just let me know. I will list my email below. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.